change the engine oil and filter on your Indian heavyweight, follow these steps. Notice, this procedure only covers heavyweight motorcycles with the shorter dipstick shown on the left. This dipstick will also show a silver ring on the crankcase when installed. Park the bike on a flat, level surface. Start the engine and allow it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Stop the engine. Remove any debris near the engine oil dipstick and remove the oil dipstick. Clean the area around the oil drain plugs. Place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Tip: place a rag in the bottom of the drain pan to prevent the splashing of oil. Remove both drain plugs and sealing washers and allow the oil to drain completely. While the oil is draining, remove the engine oil filter. Using a clean, dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase. Make sure the old oil filter O-ring is completely removed. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil. Ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface, and then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Inspect the drain plugs and sealing surfaces. Install new sealing washers on the drain plugs. Notice, the sealing surfaces on the drain plug and crankcase should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Clean the sealing surfaces and reinstall the drain plugs. Torque to specification. Wipe up any residual oil on the vehicle. Fill the engine with 4.5 quarts of oil through the oil dipstick hole. Reinstall the oil dipstick. Start the engine and run at varying speeds up to 2,500 RPM for 3 minutes. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Add the additional quart of oil to bring the oil level between the add and full marks. Do not add oil if the oil level is between the add and full marks. Caution: overfilling can result in the loss of engine performance and an oil-saturated air filter. Use a suction device to remove excess oil if overfilled. Start the engine and allow to run until operating temperature is reached. Stop the engine and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. With the aid of an assistant, stand the bike upright. Remove the dipstick, wipe with a clean shop rag, and reinstall until fully threaded in. Remove the dipstick again and check the oil level. Ensure the oil level is between the add and full marks. Do not add oil if the oil level is between the add and full marks. Notice, the oil level must be checked with the bike upright and not on the side stand for an accurate reading. Wipe up any residual oil that may have collected on vehicle components. Dispose of the used oil and filter properly. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.